In this video, I will show you how to transfer money from TapTap Send to bank account. So if you want to do this, then the first thing what you need to do is you need to open your TapTap Send account. And then from here, from the home tab, you need to select a country where you want to send your transfer to. And so let's assume you're going to send to someone in the Philippines. Then I'm going to select the Philippines in here. And now I need to enter the amount of money that I want to send. So let's say I want to send 15 euros. That is around 1,000 Philippine pesos. And then I can click on next, but I can also click on add promo code in here. And in here, you can use my code for a €5 or $5 discount. And you can just go ahead and use this link because it is in the bio. So feel free to use it. It will give you a nice discount. But anyway, let's move on with the video and let's click on next. And in here, you need to click on add new recipient. So go ahead and click on bank account in here. And now you need to fill in the full name, the bank account number, and you need to confirm the bank account number. And after that, you need to click on next. And in this section, it is really important that you fill in the correct details and do not make any mistakes, because otherwise your transfer could get disrupted. So fill in everything that you need from the person that you want to send it to their bank account. And after that, go ahead and click on next at the bottom. And after that, you need to click on confirm. And that is basically how you do it. So I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I will see you in the next one.